Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The Santa Maria here, and can we believe it? Elfmas is winding on down, but I'm so excited because I have finally received my December Vellabox. So of course I'm going to unbox it with my elves. I mean, hello, that's what we do here. Super excited. They've actually switched up how they do the box now moving forward. So yeah, we're gonna get into that tea as we go on later in the video. Before we do that, you know, elves, first things first. Lipstick of the day, everyone. Lipstick of the day. I'm really having a mood with mauves right now, and I'm here for it. So I went with MAC's Whirl lipstick. Yes, Whirl. I love the name of that. It's a goodie. I really like it. I put a little gloss over to make it pop. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Fragrance of the day, everyone. It was frosted outside this morning. Like the snow advisory came on my car when I went to warm it up this morning. And yeah, so whenever it's cold weather, we rock with some Tom Ford. And today's Tom Ford is Vanille Fatale. Yes, she is sexy. Leathery but smoky. She has a little bit of an incensey vibe too. It has to be under 40 degrees for me to rock this and do it justice. So Vanille Fatale is our scent of the day. All right, we are cozy. Got my like Sherpa fur, faux fur situation going on today. And with that being said, let's get into our new Vellabox for the month. It almost threw me off, y'all. So literally it came this shape. Normally I'm used to a rectangle shape, but we got a square this time. So that's how I knew it was going to be different. So let's see what we got this month. I just love how minimalistic the packaging always is with Vellabox. So let's see here. The message is home, the story of who we are and a collection of who we love. Okay. That is the inside with the message I just read to you all. And let's see. Normally I get two candles, a larger one and a small one, but this time around, they said they were going to change it up, and we got one large 16-ounce candle, and the one I got is mistletoe. This is mistletoe. We had an option that I could pick from two other scents they had offered, but mistletoe was just calling my name. I mean, hello, 'tis the season, guys. And this month's company is Earthside Candle Co. They're based out of Belmont, California. Okay. So let's see, the candles they had, like I said, was three options we could choose from, and I chose mistletoe. Mistletoe is for fans of woodsy and fresh scents, which that's right up my alley. And the keynotes are eucalyptus, fir, pine, cedar, and patchouli. So you're gonna have some throw. The spirit of the holidays all bottled up into one jar. Let the smells of winter woods fall around you as the wax melts down. Okay. The other option they had was wasali and frosted juniper. I was like, okay. So let's see here. Let's see exactly what mistletoe is talking about. Single wick, white wax, and it's 100% soy wax, by the way, for those that are intrigued. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, mistletoe. I'm glad I trusted my gut and got mistletoe. This is really good, and this smells like Christmas. Oh my goodness. Oh, the fur in here mixed with that cedar, and oh, I can't wait to burn this. You know what? This might actually end up being my bubble bath scent for this week, since I'm off for the next 2 weeks. So I got time to really do some self-care, and yeah, mistletoe is giving me what I need for this Christmas season. Very, very excited about that. I do get all of the notes, especially that fir and that cedar. And I can see that patchouli coming out when I light it. I could definitely see that being a base note. And then as always, I always get an extra bonus gift in here because I have the highest tier box, which is the Vivere, which of course they have other size boxes and they're very affordable. You can even just buy candles as gifts. You can also give people subscriptions to Vellabox, which is super great. As y'all know, I do have a code. I will have all the information in the description box below for you. This month's bonus gift is Nostalgia Moisturizing Body Butter. Okay. Nice. Okay, Elira Apothecary. That's who this is by. Okay. And they have their information on here too. All of the brand's information I will put in the description box so you can check it out. The beautiful thing about Vellabox is they advocate and help to push smaller artesian brand of candles. So that's how, if you notice, every time I showcase one of these boxes, they're from a different state, a different small company as well. So definitely check them out. I always put their Instagram information in there too. And both of them have included coupons as well, so you can check them out. Alira Apothecary, they're based out of Detroit, Michigan. Okay, I got some family up there some kind of way. I gotta ask about that. But okay, and then Earthside Candle Co. again is based out of Belmont, California. And they both have special codes for Vellabox users. Love that. So let me see what this body butter talked about. Oh, that's really pleasant. It's whipped. This is what it looks like. Very whipped. It's a very minimalistic smell too. Okay, you know what? We're on camera. We're doing a first impression. Let me take some out. Rub that in. Oh, this is nice and thick. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Very minimalistic in smell. I like that. I like that. Very minimalistic. It almost has like a slight vanilla touch to it. And check out that shine on that body butter. Okay, this is going on my legs. Yeah, this is gonna go on my legs when I need to stunt. Yeah, yes. Ooh. Okay, this is really, really good. Again, this is Alira Apothecary. I will be putting their information in the description box. This is some good body butter. So the cool thing, like I said, I want to talk about with the box about how they changed it was, instead of getting the 2 7 to 8 ounce candle and a small 4 ounce candle, now you just get the one Big Daddy, which is the 16 ounce candle. Apparently more people wanted more wax and people wanted to enjoy their scents longer, so they decided to upgrade. And the one thing about Vellabox is they're always improving the box and trying to upgrade it. You're always getting something new. The website updates constantly and they have special features. And something I do like too is they have previous collections. So say you just sign on to Vellabox in January, but you still like the candles that came out in, say, the December collection. They have those collections still available on their website. So you don't have to worry about, oh no, I gotta chase it down because I missed that certain month, I don't get to get it. You still can get it, and that's why they list the companies as well. So even if you gotta reach out directly to the company, you can still get a certain consent. We love that. Ain't nothing worse than falling in love with a scent and then you can't find it no more. It sucks. And then another thing to you all that they have upgraded is you now will be able to curate your boxes based on your scent selections. So like for me, I went off of the person that likes a woody or a fresh scent. That's the one I checked off when I selected my box for this month. So I said, okay, I liked how they went for me, and I'm glad they're going to make that available for all Vellabox people, because of course, you know, I do collab with them, you know, just full disclosure on that. But I like the fact that not just those of us that collab with them, that option will be available for their customers that also subscribe and get a box or even gift it. It makes it more personal, and I just love that. It's so cute. So yes, they do soy wax candles and they're artesian candles. And again, I do have a code to help save you some moolah on your first box. So that information will all be in the description box below. But definitely check out Vellabox. As always, I love them. I'm continue to rock with them. They are some good people. And I just love the fact they advocate for small businesses and really push them. So yeah, that is today's video, everyone, and I will be enjoying my mistletoe. Oh man, I'm sorry, this candle is like really freaking good. Very, very good. I'm glad I'm here for this new improvement and this addition to how they're gonna do the boxes. So until next time else, I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.